Opinions do not exist in vacuums. Opinions exist and evolve inside intricate and complex social networks that have an impact upon decision-making processes. The Internet, and the social web in particular, offer a very fertile ground for market and opinion research. Now, how does one actually reveal the borders of online communities on the Internet? Let's take the example of the US political web in 2008. First, one needs to identify highly visible websites talking about politics. Then, using the links that connect websites to one another, one can bring back other websites that may pertain to the same territory and to each community. Using links again, one can refine the position of each website inside the territory and look at where it is going to exert influence in the territory at large or inside its own community, where it is actually going to weigh more on the opinions of others as a conversation leader. Once a map has been drawn in such a way, it's easier to sample it for market and opinion research purposes. For instance, one can choose to focus on the top 10% websites inside the territory to analyze their opinions. Alternatively, one can choose to focus on the top 20% websites inside a given community where opinions are more heavily influenced by peers. We've seen the political web offers a very interesting canvas for opinion research on the internet. Now let's take another example in the market research field. Let's look at the French women's web in 2008. First, one needs to identify websites talking about interesting matters such as cooking, design, decoration, brands, fashion, and so on and so forth. Then, using links to bring back other interesting websites, one can also refine the position of each website and of each community inside the territory. Then we can look at the penetration rate of a brand. Has a brand reached 5 or 10% or even more of the leading websites inside the territory and inside each community? That is a question we can answer thanks to social graph approaches to opinion and market research. We can obviously drill down inside the different portions of the territory to see where the brand is already strong. Here, for instance, in the fashion, beauty, and lifestyle communities, and where, on the other hand, the brand needs to reinforce or strengthen its online presence, here in the cooking community, for instance. Social graph theories indeed offer very interesting canvases for opinion and market research. Thank you.